Use both ain't in it. You want me to do it? What are you trying to take? Alright. Now use your both in it.
I'm recording.
Well, you're not recording Josh.
I don't think I want to be recorded.
No, I just spit everywhere. No, I ate my whole lemon. You didn't even eat it.
I didn't know you...
Look. No. Mine, all gone. Yours, not gone.
Ooh, you ate it?
Yeah.
Ew, you ate it. You didn't have to eat that, Jeff.
I didn't eat it.
Oh.
It's crazy I'm not going to eat it. That's just...
Alright, come on, let's put the camera on.